All right, now I'll say a few words about this Shankara's commentary on this Purnamada Purnamidam. See, the more and more you go subtle, the logic doesn't work. Logic doesn't help. For example, the Shakti or the power, when it is taken out, when the power is taken from something, the Shakti is taken from something, it is not that it becomes empty. The big problem is translating into English. I can try. I can try. You understand these three examples. One is 2 plus 2 is 4. This is a logic, intellectual logic. But the next level logic, logic of heart, in which 2 plus 2 is 4 plus something, where the canvas, cloth and the plus the painting. The paint is not equivalent to the painting. Canvas, cloth plus paint is equivalent to canvas, cloth plus paint plus something. Something more than these two added. And the third thing, yesterday I was telling, an unenlightened disciple plus enlightened master is equal to two enlightened beings. And not only that, any number of unenlightened disciple can sit and become the same infinity. In spiritual world, the logic is totally different. You can understand from the angle of knowledge. Now, from this body, so many of you understood about unclutching. And it is not that this body has lost it. It's not that I lost the truth. The truth, even though it is given to so many people, it is there in me also. Purnamada Purnamidam. Even after it is being given to so many people, it is there in me also. So the infinity is knowledge, wisdom or enlightenment. Even if it is taken out from enlightenment, enlightenment remains as enlightenment. The knowledge remains as knowledge. Nothing is reduced, nothing is lost. That is why he says, how many people, even if thousands of people get enlightened, the master never loses it. He says that there is one more example. Even if you light thousands of lamps from one lamp, that lamp will not lose the light. You may light thousands of lights from that lamp. The transmission of lamp can happen 1,000 times, but the light will have the same power and same light. So the logic of spiritual world is totally different from the logic of mathematical world. With this ordinary logic, you cannot compare or think about the Purnamada Purnamidam. Yesterday I was putting a question. The infinite perfect numbers. There can be infinite perfect numbers. If you understand this truth, you will understand there are infinite perfect numbers. The infinity itself can't be reduced to few things, or the perfection can't be reduced to few things. Perfection and infinity can meet only in spirituality. In all other field, perfection cannot be infinite. Leader can be only one person. Only in spiritual field, enlightened can be thousands of people. Even if there are thousands of people enlightened, there is no competition. In the ordinary world, perfection means only one. All other people will be little less than perfect. Now, it is time for you to understand, you can become infinite. Spirituality is the only field where the perfection and infinity can meet and merge with each other, can complement each other instead of contradicting each other. Now it is time to understand Anandamaya Kosha and just be unclutched in the deeper level. I'll guide you step by step. It will be more through silence, but you will see, you are able to feel this silence, feel this presence and silence deeply. After this meditation, it is not even a meditation, it is just a experience. After this, we will enter into energy darshan. Now, please tie the ribbon. I am opening all the doors of enlightened beings' presence. Whoever can carry, you can carry in your being. If you have brought coconut shell, you will carry that much. If you have brought big barrel, you will carry that much. If you have brought a container, you will carry in container. But now, I am opening all the doors of enlightened presence. Please tie the ribbon, close your eyes, sit straight, just be unclutched. If you are clutched, let you be clutched. If you are unclutched, let you be unclutched. Whatever happens, let it happen. You just be.